What's up, YouTubers? Kamusta kayo mga kabaltik? Today I'm here at Ontario Convention Center, Los Angeles, California for the Crossroads of the West gun show. Come on, let's roam around and let's see what I can buy from their stuff. For sure I'm gonna go get some ammo. Well, that's cool. It's like a laser beam. That's nice. Alright, there you are. This is actually my main purpose here, to buy some ammos. Okay, so I got 500 rounds of 9mm factory reload for $119.95, and also 250 rounds of 45 ACP factory reload for $99.95. I got 200 rounds for 357 Magnum, $29.95 each box, and 25 rounds of hollow point for my 357 Magnum, $35.95. I also got 2 holsters for my P45 and P57, $25 each. And lastly, I got 2 pouches for $8 each. So there you have it. Thank you for watching. As always, be safe everyone.